Hi guys, as you see, what we are trying to do is running a BigQuery from the Jupyter notebook using Panda. Um, in my first line, what I did is um, just normal hello world statement, and then what I'm using here is the Panda library package to import the Google BigQuery here. But before you start doing all of this, what you need to do is to make sure you have this correct package installed. To do that, you have to have this package installed using Anaconda prompt as an administrator. You can test your environment, making sure um, you already have something in the Google BigQuery. Um, for example, if I show you here, uh, I already have this query saved in the Google BigQuery. If I run that, it will give me the result. Here's the data I have already in the Google BigQuery table. It's called shop data. So what I did, I just copied this query and then use the same query here, telling my project ID, which I used as a data cleansing exercise. As soon you run this one, you will have the authorization link. I'll click on this link and allow. Copy this code, which I copied now, going back here, and that's it. So you can see that that has done. So if I do that, df dot head. So here we go. I've got the result from the Google BigQuery. Thank you for watching this video, how to connect BigQuery with the Jupyter Notebook.